All right. Thank you so much, Ms. Sandy. Now, Ms. White?
Yes.
All right, there you go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jayla White. This is ticket number P1240445, one count reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Malify on behalf of Ms. White. Ms. White, please state your name for the record.
Jayla White.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations.
All right. So she pleads today to this, and then she has to go to the class as a part of the record.
Yeah, it'll be the reduction of the drag racing, Judge, and I suppose let's have her come back and then prove that she took the class.
Okay, all right. Ms. White, if you want to take advantage of this offer today, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. White, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney? That would have been Mr. Malafite in private today about your rights?
Yes.
And did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Can you repeat that?
Are you pleading guilty? Are you pleading guilty to this matter because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 14th, 2021. Were you in the area of West 7 Mile and Evergreen Roads in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you driving it in a reckless manner?
Honestly,
I'll ask you this, were you driving speeds greater than you should have been going in and out of traffic?
I was doing at least 5 miles over the speed limit, correct? 35.
You don't have to take this offer. Your offers can be a bench trial or
Yeah.
a jury trial.
Yeah, Ms. White, we discussed this. We have to have a plea in order to take the reduction. And frankly, the thing that you have just said does not really lend itself to a plea to the original count. So just one more time to make sure that we're clear. Can you take a plea to reckless? Were you in fact driving on the date and time in question in a reckless manner, or were you not?
Yes.
Okay, I'm satisfied, Judge.
Okay, the court is satisfied as well. I will accept the plea to the amended charge of drag racing, which carries less points in this particular matter and no suspension, it appears. Is that correct, Mr. Malafide?
That's absolutely correct, Judge.
All right, as a part of your plea, I do assess a fine. Are you currently employed, ma'am?
Yes, but I'll probably need some time to pay it.
I'll give you some time, Ms. White, okay?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $240. $240 today. That type of behavior, ma'am.
Yes.
And you also have to take a driver's improvement class. He's instructed you to go to the Secretary of State's website and look.
We've discussed it, yes, Your Honor.
All right, so you have to take the class. I'm going to give you 3 months to pay this fine and to take the class. Is that enough time for you?
Yes.
Okay, then I'm gonna have you come back August the 5th for a review. August 5th, 2022.
At what time?
8:30 a.m., ma'am, okay?
Yes. And then
Yes, go ahead.
where can I find the course class at?
Go to
as
the
we did,
Secretary of State's website.
yeah, you're gonna go
Okay.
and remember what I said, ma'am, is you're gonna type in Michigan Secretary of State Drivers Improvement Course. That is the
Oh,
phrase you
okay.
are going to use.
Okay, thanks.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. I'll see you back at that date, Ms. White, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'm gonna quickly go talk to our last individual just so that she understands
Okay, cool. Go talk
what the
to
offer
whoever.
is. Your Honor,
Hold on 1 second, attorney.
absolutely.
I'm gonna tell you that.
Sure, no problem.
But I was gonna say that you have no. Oh, cool, thank you. Ms. Wells?
Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna call your matter, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Brittany Wells, no.
Marlena.
Marlena, thank you.
Yes.
Marlena
Welcome.
Wells. U ticket 304-45016, one count of aiding and abetting another for the act of prostitution. Ticket number P1224618, one count 11 to 15 miles over coastal speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1225270, one count of drive while license suspended. Count 2, improper plate. Ticket number P374708, one count, no insurance. Ticket number P462613, one count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P346792, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Qualified on behalf of Ms. Wells. Ms. Wells, please state your name for the record.
Marlena Wells.
Thank you so much, Ms. Wells. Your Honor, at this time, we'd like to continue our plea of not guilty and ask for a bench trial date.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Ms. Wells, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Wells, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
I did.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of August 31st. August 31st for all these matters, okay?
Okay.
You want to write that down? Don't just try and remember it. Write it down, put it in
Oh
your
no,
phone.
I got a whole clipboard with everything on there, so I'm gonna write it down in 1 second.
Okay. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. It's gonna be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in on that date. Did you post the bond for these cases, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, and your bond's gonna continue. I'm gonna leave that in place.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, if you need to get up and get a pen, I'd rather you have remembered the date and write it down than tonight.
Yeah. I'm getting a pen now. I got one.
Cool. Tell me when you're ready again.
I'm ready.
All right, the date is August 31st. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna put in the same Zoom information. It's via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom in that day. Do you have our Zoom info?
Yes, I do. I do.
All right, ma'am. I'll see you then and there. Okay, bond is continued at whatever you paid on these, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Also, just for the record, I know it was a couple of cases that look like they may not have been on the docket. I'll set those remaining bonds at $0 personal.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Am I all set?
You're all set,
You're all
yes.
set.
Okay,
Your
thank
Honor, I have Ms. Walden. I did not know about her. I'm gonna quick check in and see what's going on with her.
Excellent. Go ahead.
Your Honor, can just go ahead and pull, we have to close the room because she's on a phone. I'm not sure how to get her out of the breakout room, but she just needs a pretrial date because she has insurance, but we can't see her because she's got a phone.
Cool. I can try and give her a little sooner date. She says she has insurance.
Uh-huh.
Get ready.
All right. Now calling the matter of the People versus Kanisha Walden. This is ticket number P11949919. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Tim Alpha on behalf of Ms. Walden. Ms. Walden, please state your name for the record.
Tanisha Walden.
Your Honor, at this time would continue her plea of not guilty, ask for a pretrial date.
All right. Ms. Walden, is my understanding that you have the insurance, you just need to be able to show us?
Yes,
Okay, are you gonna be able to, send it to the court ahead of time, possibly?
yes, yes,
Okay.
I can.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a number to take down after I set the pretrial date, and I'm gonna have you call the court and get the email address so that you can email us a copy of it, okay?
Okay,
All right, the pretrial date is going to be May 18th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m., ma'am.
okay,
And then, please call, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. The phone number to call is 313-965-2293.
okay, okay.
All right?
Yes,
Okay,
I got
ma'am,
it.
if there's, okay, you got it, so give us a call so we can give you the email address. I just like to make sure we have it down properly.
Okay, I'm sorry, you said at 8 a.m. on the 18th?
8:30, not
Oh,
8 a.m.
8:30.
No, 8:30.
Okay,
Okay? All right.
okay,
If there's anything further, that concludes this hearing, okay?
okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And with that, that concludes this morning's docket.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all so much.
Mhm.